If your writing is not understandable, so how can you expect you are fully marked? If your writing is neat and clean,
I have one task for you.
Okay.
Go to the hospital and ask for a doctor. Please write in a good handwriting. I can't understand your language.
So, good morning, everyone. We are back with an amazing debate on the topic school life versus college life.
This is Suraj.
Rachit.
Bhaskar. This is Pawan Joshi and we are supporting college life.
This is Saurav.
Deepak,
Rohit.
Tara, Priya, Diksha, Monica, and we are supporting to school life.
So my first point is freedom and independence. So college offers more independence, more freedom in comparison to school, whereas school have more rigid schedule and college have more open schedule. Students have more time in their hand. They can choose their subjects, manage their time, and explore their social skills more.
Good morning to everyone present here. Today I stand strongly support in favor of school life. Not just because it is the beginning of our educational journey, but because it lays the foundation of who we are. School life is not just about books, uniforms and timetables. It is the most disciplined, value-rich and emotionally strong phases of our lives. Something that college life can never match.
School is a case. The uniform, rules, bell ringing, your life away. It's robotic. College is a where real life learning and real choice begin. That's freedom. In a school, in college, no one care about your handwriting. They care about your ideas.
School plays a significant role in a student's life. He learns how to interact socially, how to behave socially when he go to school. So before college, school is a place where he grooms himself to become a better person in life.
In school life, school gives you fake information, our society and life. But in college, we learn how to grow, how to fight alone.
According to school life focus on overall growth, not just grade.
I slightly agree with your point, but in my opinion, school is more like a spoon feeding. They are telling things which looks good on paper, but in reality, things are very different, which you learn in college. In college, you meet real world, you face new challenges, you are on your own, you have to think out of the box, you have to find new ways how to tackle the problems you are going to face in college or in upcoming real world.
I contradict your point. School life is a foundation where a basics of a student is clear. In school life, there is a building their confidence and building their discipline. Without discipline, no one can succeed. In school life, your basic is clear. After then, you have peers to peers teacher interaction in their class, and then they can they describe their quality, not a writing.
So I also want to contradict your point. You said that there is a peer-to-peer attention in schools, but that's not possible because funding in school is very low in comparison to college. College have more opportunities, more clubs, more activities in which people have more opportunity to get into themselves into that activities and express more. So I think in college actually you become more find your inner self more, you find your passion more, you develop your personality, you know who you are in college, because in college you are at your own. No one is at your back to hold you back or you support you from back. You are on your own. In actually in schools, teacher really don't give more. They have to look after every kid. So so realistically it is not possible to give attention to all the kids. But in college, because there are so many activities and you are on your own, so you take your own initiative and you participate in different activities and you able to find yourself more in comparison to
I
school.
contradict your point. I contradict your point. You said that college life conducting different activities. Which activities is conducted? But in college life, the professor is only dictating. Only dictating. They cannot having ideas. Or students is going up and learning well. Only they can coming the class and dictating. Dictate the whole, and then after going to, but in school there is a all assist you on the basis of their marks, and then supporting them to you can growing better in previous performance. And there in school there is conducting not a study or physical workout is also conducting in school to participating all over growth.
Uh, I slightly agree with your point on that the professor dictates in the class, but I think the professor dictates because professor knows now these are not kids, they are grown adults and they need to learn how to take responsibilities. And college doesn't focus only on education, it also focus on other personality development skills like debating, like sports, how you have to talk to other people. You develop skills where you learn how to network with people, how you should treat your own people. Like in college you don't tell your seniors that bhaiya, you address them like a sir. So you learn that in professional world you don't use terms like bhaiya and all. You have to be professional, you have to use terms like sir, ma'am, which is very essential, which shows your education, you also show how professional you are. And your other point was yeah, so in schools they offer focus on basic things like you have read certain topics, you have covered certain content. They focus more on like how good you're writing. They never focuses more on practical knowledge, whereas in college the more emphasis on practical skills, because they know when
I
you
have
will-
one. Sorry,
I
sorry
contradict
to.
your point.
let me
School
complete,
also-
sir. Let me complete. First, let me complete. Then I will give you a chance to speak after me. Okay, let me go. So in school, because there's no pressure of getting job, so they don't really focus on industry skills. Whereas in college, they know that after 4 years they will have to go to the industry place where their practical knowledge will be tested. So they know that we have to focus more on practical skills rather than these reading skills or only writing skills.
I have one question for you. आप टीचर प्रोफेसर से इंटरेक्ट कैसे होते हो? आप पूछते कैसे हो? जैसे कुछ चीज समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो आप पूछते कैसे हो?
So you asked me that how I ask my professor about my queries, no? So I just raise my hand and ask, sir, I have this query and please can you answer this?
I agree with your point. If in school life there is not a burden of job in school life, so school life is very easy. It's a life you can feel without any fear. But in school life you have a dedication. After college you can do a job for earning some money. But in school life you cannot have any pressures to earning money. You can liable to learning well.
So do you think that getting into next class or next grade is more difficult, or doing a job is more difficult? What do you think is more difficult?
Both things are difficult at every point of time. For a job person, being an adult, I can tell that a job is more difficult. But when I was a kid, I was a student. That time passing each class is more difficult. It depends on circumstances.
So I have one point. In school life, sometime teacher buys your handwriting, and sometime answer is same, but he cut your marks because based on your handwriting. So my question is, those teacher, so go to the hospital and ask for the doctor for a good handwriting. He slap you. Make it very hard.
For your kind information, in the exam, if a teacher is not understanding your sentence, so how can you expect you can fully marked? If your writing is not understandable, so how can you expect you are fully marked? If your writing is neat and clean, it's in school life, it's a good activity, good thing. They can focus in your writing.
I have one task for you.
Okay.
Go to the hospital and ask for a doctor. Please write in a good handwriting. I can't understand your language. Because there is no need of handwriting. There is need of what he write. In college life, there are many teachers who focus on not a handwriting. They are need more ideas. They care about your ideas, not a handwriting. This is my point.
I totally disagree with Deepak's point on discipline and college give you more freedom because tell me after school आप कितना use करोगे उस वो discipline को in your life?
But discipline is a key of success. You know very well. Discipline is a key of success. But after colleging, most of the students going here and there and wasting their time for thinking that no one can see her, no one can no pressure of the student is there. हम तो खूब घूमेंगे, खाएंगे, पिएंगे, ऐसा करेंगे.
Wasting time is my according. I am also interested in coding, but I am dancing in stage in school life. So this is a wasting of time. My interest in computer. I am dancing on the stage. What the hell, man?
This is your problem. You can go in.
So many problems.
School is not all about studying. It teaches us how to behave, how to interact, how to behave socially, and how to make friends. Means these things we will not. These things we learn in schools, not colleges. So school play a significant role to build ourselves.
My point is I have already done school life and college life. Then after conclusion is college life is best life. College life is decide your future, decide your responsibilities and आप क्या करते हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, वो कॉलेज लाइफ डिसाइड करती है कहाँ जाना चाहते हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, क्या करोगे लाइफ में. स्कूल लाइफ क्या है, एक रोबोटिक लाइफ है कि सिखाते हैं ऐसा करना है और किया स्कूल कंप्लीट. बट कॉलेज लाइफ क्या है कि आपको खुद करना होता है, खुद जाना होता है और खुद डिसाइड करना होता है कि हमने किस राह में जाना है और क्या करना है, हमें कहाँ फ्यूचर बनाना है.
Okay, you are older with me, so you can think. You have passed in school life and college life also. Which life do you feel very good? मतलब आपको कौन सी लाइफ सबसे अच्छी लगी?
मेरे को लाइफ सबसे अच्छी कॉलेज लाइफ लगी क्योंकि वहाँ डांसिंग, अपने घूमना, खाना पीना, फूड, मोर टाइम्स जैसा दिल चाहता है वैसा कर सकते हो. पॉलिटिक्स जिस जगह में जहाँ भी जाना चाहते हो आप, शिक्षा में, पॉलिटिक्स में, वो कॉलेज लाइफ ही डिसाइड करती है कि आप किस राह में चलना चाहते हो. इस सब
Okay, but
If we send you to directly to the college, you feel like a lost soul because you will not, you don't know anyone. So you will not understand how to interact, how to talk to people. What will he answer? So for that, your rooting, your upbringing is important. So that's the role school plays.
School makes you a responsible citizen. You वो आप में डिसिप्लिन ऐड करता है, आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनाता है.
डिसिप्लिन की टू सक्सेस. बट दीपक को मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि आप आफ्टर स्कूल यू ऑल्सो कम इन कॉलेज, तो डिसिप्लिन आप वहाँ क्या यूज़ करेंगे आप मेरे को बताइए. क्योंकि कॉलेज में एक इन्वायरमेंट होगा जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा फ्रीडम मिलेगा, आप नई नई चीज़ें करेंगे, आपका थोड़ा बहुत डिसिप्लिन है. वो रोबोटिक लाइफ आपकी गायब हो जाएगी. 9 बजे आपको बस्ता उठा के स्कूल जाना है, वहाँ एक रोबोटिक क्लास में आपको जाना है, एक जगह एक क्लास, उसके बाद दिन भर आपको वही मेमोराइज करना है, वही टेक्स्ट बुक, रटी रटाई टेक्स्ट बुक. इस गिव अस ओनली थ्योरिकल नॉलेज, नॉट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. वो थ्योरिकल नॉलेज आपकी क्या काम आ रही है, वो आपको बता देंगे कि पंखा बंद हो गया तो ये खराब हो गया, ऐसे सही होता है. बट इन कॉलेज आप इंजीनियरिंग करेंगे तो आपको सिखाएंगे पूरा कि क्या उसमें क्या यूज होता है, कैसे वो चीजें ठीक होती है. तो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट थ्योरिकल नॉलेज. यू एग्री और नॉट?
But college life is overrated. You know, school where it is all begins. Without school, you would not to reach college life. Okay, it is a foundation. Okay.
Made in school last a lifetime from sharing lunch, notebooks, game playing. I don't.
Can say that it's a practical knowledge. Do you think in your class 11th and 12th, do you going to lab, chemistry lab, physics lab in your schools? So doing their practicals, making their models such as electricity, resistor, tar.
College level, na?
But practical knowledge also in a school, na?
Not in college level, but my point.
Level. Okay, level is not matter. It's a life. Which life is better, college life or school life? But school life have conducted their practicals. In chemistry lab, there is most of the chemicals. Students is if you are not knowing which chemicals is used, what do you? Let me complete first. Let me complete first. If you in the schooling, if in class 11th you do not know what is the full form of hydrochloric acid, HCl, what is color, what is their pH range, so how can you expect that could you if you मतलब कि आप उसको कॉलेज में कैसे वो करोगे?
You have said to Deepak that in school we are like prisoners. We go to school at 9 a.m. And till 2 p.m. So why it is important and why it is important? Because it teaches us the punctuality, discipline that's in life. So afterwards we will not face any issues.
Alright, very good. Now the final argument. Yes, yes.
So I have one question for you, Deepak. Do you have any experience our college life?
I have no experience.
So
I
how
have
can
experience.
you talk about college life is not a bad and school life is a bad? If you experience, then you speak. Okay. My experience both. So I am talking about school life prepare you how to become a mama boy, mummy ka ladka, right? Mummy, please. I want help in my homework. Where is my t-shirt? Where is my shoes? So school life prepare you how to become a mama boy. But in college life, we learn about a alone fight with my problems. That is my point.
I think Bhaskar Dadda in class 11 saying her mother, please done my homework in chemistry, physics in there. In
Yeah,
class,
also.
yeah, in class 11, do you said your mamas, please complete my homework first, okay?
Yes.
In college, do you not said your mamas to complete their work? Do you not said?
College life. In
हाँ,
college life.
हाँ, your mother is graduation, okay?
When I was in college life, so I am self-defense.
Okay, self-defense.
Yes.
But in school life,
But
do you
I'm
are?
talking about you. You have no experience over college life.
I have an experience of school life, but I have an
Final argument on
I have an experience of school life that I am said that school life is better.
But I have both, so I have both, so I have both.
And college life only depend on result.
You have also, you have also
Let me complete. Let me
experience in
complete.
college life.
Let me complete. आज जो भाई जो जिन्होंने डिग्री ले रखी है और जो खाली बैठे हैं उनका क्या?
I have not.
Give me some
Please
name.
let me complete, okay? Hello.
Give me some name, please.
I have not an experience, but I have a knowledge. What is college going on? College in college life, there is a student going their grades and not in personal.
We are talking about
I agree
I
with
have not a.
I agree with ma'am's point. School was the start, but college is where you start becoming you.
Alright.
According to school life memorable are poor, incorrect, and joyful. According to college life are often about struggle, stress, and survival. No something to smile back. Both sides brought fire, but the truth is one is the root and other is the rise. But debate unending.
Okay. So this is an endless debate on the topic what is better, school life or college life, because we all understand. In school life, we learn discipline, we learn, we clear our basic concepts, and on the basis of that foundation, we are able to build up our career when we move to a college. But in college life, we get to learn new things, we get to learn them practically, we get to interact with different people, and we learn many new things that will help us to grow in life and compete with the world. So they both are equally important. So comparing them is like comparing oranges and apples. Well done, everyone.